Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a 2-column and a 3-column row when you're designing a form. To create a 2-column or 3-column row, you want to select on the row that you want to make either 2 columns or 3 columns. For this first example, I will show you how to make a 2-column row. So I will select this first top row here, and then I see the row styling options change, and here's one row. And then here's 2 rows showing it will divide the row in proportion to 50-50, half and half. So here's our 2-column row. So first name got shifted to the left a little bit, and there's an open space to add something else. In this case, I'm going to add last name. So I just select, drag and drop right in there. Let the design save, and I will go to page view to see how the form looks. And there you have it, first name and last name all on one line. Okay, so we just did a 2-column row. Let's try a 3-column row. So let's go back to the form view tab and click this top row again. Now we have multiple different options which are explained here. If you hover, and you'll see the different proportion sizes. Since we want a 3-column, we'll click here. And you see it shifted first name over to the left, last name over a little bit to the middle for the 3rd column. Here I will grab my element, in this case it's my email element. I will drag it up and see how it's highlighted yellow, showing that it's going to fit into there, and then let go. And there I have first name, last name, and email all on the same row, divided up evenly into 3 columns. And then I will click page view to double check it, just to get a render of how the form will look. I have first name, last name, and email in my 3-column format. One other thing, if you want to go back, or if you decide later after you're making the form or after you've already made this change, for example, you decide instead of a 3-column you want to go back to a 2-column, it's really simple. So we'll go back to form view, click the element that we want to move away out of the 3 columns. So in this case, we'll select my email element, back down into this empty row, click the top row, and select 2 columns again. Are you sure you want to apply this column styling as it will delete fields from your row? Click yes, because it will delete the farthest right, so the empty row. And then we have first name being 1 column, last name being the 2nd column, and we can page view to see how it looks. And we've just reverted it back to 2 columns. So first name is on one half, last name on the other. So everything you want to do in regards to customizing your form to having everything be in a single row, or if you want to have multiple lines next to each other, or multiple elements I should say next to each other, everything is customizable and is up to you. Thanks for watching.